back over here on this hunting property. Got a little destination in mind, someplace I need to go check out to see if it's, to make sure it's an ideal place. I think it's going to be ideal to set up a ladder stand. Walking in, the wind is hitting me right in the face, and that's a good thing. I've got a mile to go. You know, you can look at something on a map. You can study the topo. You can look at stuff on Google Earth. But you really got to get a feel for it by putting your feet on it. That's what we're doing today. Everything on paper and everything on that satellite image tells me that where we're going is going to be ideal, but I won't really know until I get there. Won't know until my feet take me there and I see it with my own eyes. Man, it's beautiful out here. I've not gotten yet to where I need to turn off of this road. But I've been noticing as I walk along how many different sets of deer tracks that there are. These were made before the rain. Some kind of canine. One of the things that I've noticed though is that thus far mine are the only footprints in and out of here since the rain. People just don't want to do the legwork. They don't want to hunt the old hard way of walking in, dragging out. That's good for me and a few others like me. Since the rain, I've left that road, that main road. There's a secondary thing here that I've begun to follow. It's actually quite easy walking. I don't know how long it's going to be like this. It does appear that at some point state lands may have come through here with the bush hog. Pleasant little walk. Yeah, I could spend the day here. Several days. Pitcher plants. Carnivorous plants. Google them. It's really interesting. Look at this. Something slipped there last night. Look at this pitcher plant bog. It's been so dry that I'm just standing down in it. Our friend Curtis, I think he'd get a kick out of standing here. I saw this spot from way up top of that hill. wanted to check it out. As I got closer, something was walking through right over there. At least it's like this no longer used woods road. These are ideal places once muzzleloader season comes in. Bring that little chair blind, a bucket to sit on, and something to throw up a makeshift ground blind. These are great places to just sit and spend the day. The farther I go, the better it gets. This is the area that I was wanting to get my eyes on. On paper, it looked good. On the satellite, it looked good. To the eye, it looks wonderful. Several nice bucks travel through here. It's just a matter of catching the wind right, setting up and spending some time. Unless I'm mistaken, that's going to be that creek bottom that I sat on a couple of nights back. And if that's that creek bottom, I've got a better way of getting in here than walking all the way bukus of the miles. Let's see where it goes. See, I'm right on the edge of Forever Wild and private property. Major deer trail right there, people. Took quite a bit of leg work, pleasant leg work, to arrive at this. That's my pine tree. That's where I'm going to set up a ladder stand, and that allows me a shot at whatever's crossing there. It also allows me a shot at anything coming through here and going that way. That's been a good day's work. This is definitely that little bottom that I sat on the other evening. Have to be mindful of how much water's flowing through here. Once the rainy weather sets in. I decided, instead of cutting over and walking the road back to the truck, to follow the property line. And I'm just maybe a few hundred yards from the truck, walking along, and that's the kind of stuff you like to see when you're out scouting, looking for the right spot to set up. Appreciate you watching, folks. And that'll wrap up chapter 2. I'll see you on the next chapter. What do you call it when you add something to the end of something? Is it a addendum or a codicil? So I'm walking along and following those deer tracks along the property line, and here I come to this. Apparently two of those antlered bucks encountered each other and did some ground pawing, saying, hey, you're not supposed to be here. No, you're not supposed to be here. See you later, folks.